Hey, all you makers, let me just get this glob of extruder hot end killing mess out of the way and take a look at what Amazon decided to deliver to me today. A Super 3D pen by MYNT3D. Basically got this just to see if it would help with getting rid of little bits of leftover PLA and doing some model fixing after a print, especially a long print when it messes up on you. Be nice to be able to see if you can fix it up. So let's just take a look at this. There's obviously a pen, power adapter, charger, a couple of instructions, advertising over there. And it looks like some sample of some ABS. Great. Let's get all of this out of here. Get them out of the plastic. Trash to the iteration bin. There's the pen. Yep. Well, let's just get it plugged in and charged up, and then we'll come back and see how this does. Okay, well, my mistake. This thing doesn't even charge. You just need to plug it in and then push the feed button once and it starts heating up. Let's go ahead and open up some of this filament. We'll stick some through now that the green light is going. Oh, I guess that's a speed sensor or speed control. And look, there's some white coming out. Oh, look, we finally got there. I wonder if it'll stick to my self-healing mat here. Yeah, it's working pretty well. Oh yeah. Hopes we get it to stick down. Alright, well, seems to work pretty good. I'll use it. Feels kind of cheap, but I'll use it around and update you guys later and tell you what I think. Might as well see what it can really do. there you go. You want to add some details to your Halloween spider project with a 3D pen? Works out pretty well. Alright, I've been playing around with this thing for a while now. It actually works pretty darn well. I put some details on the spider up there. I'm sure if you had a really good steady hand and managed the speed really well, it would work quite well. So let's just take a closer look at this real quick. This is the actual pen. Under this cover is actually a temperature dial, so where you can turn up and down the temperature. I think it comes defaulted at 190. This right here is the speed slide for how fast it extrudes out, and this is for the extruder to go out and for it to retract. What I've discovered that I like a lot is it automatically retracts when you let go of the extrude button. So far works real well. I'll give you guys an update maybe in a few weeks or so after I get it used. My printer's down right now, so won't be printing anything that I might actually need to do touch-ups on. But I think for touch-ups, adding details, and having a reason to use your little tiny bits of extra PLA or ABS or whatever you have sitting around through a little pen, hey, why not? Alright, have a great day, guys. Alright, everyone. Final review after about a week of using this thing and trying to set it up and use it for repairing prints. It works great. It just takes you a little while to get a hang of it. The speed control is super important, and then watching your heat and making sure you're not melting your model. But overall, for as cheap as it was, this actually works really well for repairing prints and doing some other things that you might want to do with it. So excellent review. I approve.